Let me show you two different ways how to enter pairing mode on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4. So the first way is, if you have a Samsung phone, you simply open them up. If you have your Samsung phone nearby, after a short moment on your screen, you should see a pop-up. So you see a pop-up like this, so we can click connect, and we can connect. If it says this prompt, you simply have to press and hold the button here on the back. So you see you have a button here, you press and hold it for maybe like 4 or 5 seconds. I see, then it will start like going forward. So simply wait till it finishes. Okay. Yep, agree to this stuff. Okay, and we can start using them. Also, if you go in your phone settings, I see you can also manage them here. So more settings of them here. Okay, so what if you basically do not see that pop-up, how to enter it then? Then, for example, if you also want to disconnect them, simply go in your Bluetooth settings, click details, click here and unpair them. Okay, so what if, you open your case and your phone doesn't detect them? Then what you do is, again, with the case open, earbuds inside, you again simply press and hold this button for maybe like 4 or 5 seconds. You'll see it starts to blink like this again in these different colors. And then again, as you see, you are able to see this prompt here, so you can click connect. Or also, if you still do not see the prompt, again, simply go in your Bluetooth settings, click and hold here, details, and you see in the available devices, you can click to them and also connect to them in this same way. Wait a bit. Yep, agree. And we are connected. Also, if you have a non-Samsung phone, maybe like a Pixel, Xiaomi, Motorola or whatever, then also you have to download the application called Galaxy Wearable on your phone. Again, for Samsungs we do not have to do it, but for non-Samsungs, again, make sure to download this. Let me show you how to also connect to, So then, let's click open it, leave it like that. And again, you simply open the case. To enter the pairing mode, again, you simply press and hold the button on the back for roughly maybe like 4 or 5 seconds till it starts to blink like this. And click start, allow these permissions here, and you see it found it here. And wait, allow the pairing request. And you see the control panel here looks almost the same, except if you pair it with a non-Samsung phone, the features actually won't be as advanced. So we won't be able to do as much as we can actually if we connect it to a Samsung phone. Good luck.